Hi there. Today we are making chili cheese puri, which is best enjoyed with aloo ki sabzi. As you bite into this slightly crunchy puri, you get the cheese coming through. Absolutely delicious. You'll be able to make it special for your folks. Are you a new visitor? Then do subscribe and click the bell icon. To make the puri dough, I am using 1 cup of whole wheat flour or atta, 1 cup of all-purpose flour, maida, 1/4 cup of suji or semolina, a pinch of carom seeds or ajwain that I'll crush and add it in, half a teaspoon of coriander powder, half a teaspoon of roasted cumin powder, jeera, half a teaspoon of chaat masala powder, a pinch of kasuri methi powder, tiny bit of salt, and half a teaspoon of red chili flakes. Give this all a quick mix. A tablespoon of vegetable oil. Give that a mix. Add in 50 grams of grated processed cheese and some chopped coriander leaves. I'll mix it one more time before I start kneading it. I'm avoiding touching the mixture because it has got chili flakes in it. Add water little at a time and knead a smooth dough that is not too soft. The dough is done. Rest it for 10 to 15 minutes. Make sure to keep it covered. Knead it a final time. And then I'll divide it into 4 equal parts. And get 4 from each part. So I'll get about 16 puris from this dough. Once they are all done, it's time to roll them out. Use a bit of vegetable oil to roll out the puris. Don't make them too thin. Similarly, roll out the rest of them while your oil is heating up for deep frying the puris. The oil is hot. Send me your feedback in the comments, and if you like the recipe, share it with your friends. That looks nice. Drain the oil. Absorb in paper. Fry the rest. You can actually smell the cheese. Right before serving, grate some cheese on top. Serve it hot with a gravy style potato curry. Enjoy!